everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we'll be checking out the best free tools that you can use to convert any UI design into code. Of course, a lot of these tools will be able to convert your designs into a real application without you even knowing code. So without further ado, let's just get started with this video. Now, the first tool is actually by Microsoft and it's called Sketch to Code. This tool uses AI to actually convert any of your paper wireframes into actual HTML prototypes that you can use to display as a website. As you can see, they have this page where there are 3 steps. Upload design, it will work on it, and then you can download your HTML. So let's just choose one of these examples that they've listed here. Let's go for a form like this. So you use this sample. Yep, let's use this sample, and it's converting this image into actual code. As you can see, this has made a coded website for us here. Sign up, login, last name, and even things like all these radio buttons and sign up buttons can also be created in that same way. And here, as you can see, download your HTML code. It'll take a second, but as you can see, result.html. So it's downloading as an HTML file. So you have your website design and everything ready and set up to go. Now, the next tool is called Monday Hero. And maybe if you've heard about it, it basically allows you to design and at the same time, it creates code for you side by side. It's a free tool for up to 1 project right now during COVID. So I think you should go and try it out, sign up as soon as possible. It can convert any of your sketch files into Swift, Kotlin, Flutter, and React. So Swift is for iOS apps, Kotlin is for Android apps, Flutter is for native apps. As you can see, you can give each element a certain role. So for example, there is this list. I can just select this list and then I can select, okay, what kind of view this is. And in this case, it could be a table view, and I can basically give this a variable name and give this properties and stuff like that. It makes advanced level app development easy for designers who don't really know how to code. They also show a bunch of examples right here that they've created all these high fidelity designs into actual coded applications using Monday Hero. So if you're looking out to create an actual application, you don't know how to code, but you know how to design, I think this is one of those perfect applications for you, and it's available for free during COVID-19. The next cool application is called Supernova.io. And what Supernova allows you to do is convert any design which you import from your Sketch, Figma, XD into this application, and it basically converts from a design to code in very, very little time. So you can quickly just download Supernova for free. As you guys can see, I have opened Supernova Studio here and I'm saying import Sketch or XD. Once you do that, it asks you for all these things right here. What I'll do is I'll just import any one of these, XD files. Maybe I'll do this soft UI form. Yeah, something like this. And I'll just import this XD file. It might take a second or 2 to load. You can tell the software which kind of application you're creating. So if you're creating maybe an iOS application or an Android application, you can do that. You can name it a certain thing and you can even tell it what kind of project it is. And once that is done, you just select the file you want to import. Once that is done, you just select the artboard you need to import. So this is a basic artboard inside that XD file, and I just say import. I know this was made on web, so it wouldn't be that great on a mobile, but as you can see, each individual component, you have all the kind of things that you need. You have what background color this is, and then you can obviously check out the entire code live while you're checking out this design. So for example, I select this button here, the entire code, the entire Kotlin code for Android has been set up here for us. And I gotta say, they've done a really good job with all the gradients and the colors and everything. It even has advanced options like trigger animation. So if I want to animate this button on clicking, you can just add an animation from here on the right. As you can see, trigger animation, and you can create an actual animation. Of course, I won't show you right now, but as you can see, you have all the options for creating animations right here. And all that gets converted into actual Android, iOS, or Flutter code. How freaking awesome is that? The next tool is called Fronty. And once you've signed up for Fronty, it's completely free to sign up and join. What you can do is quickly say create a page, and it asks you to, just drop a file or a JPEG or PNG right here. So you can select any interface you like, but most of the pages it will be able to recognize most of the components, especially if you have a simple website. As you can see, it recognizes buttons from this image. Right here, it has all these buttons which are already animated. So I think that is cool. But I'd suggest adding a very simple website or a wireframe here rather than all these high fidelity designs. It might not completely recognize it. The last tool is something which is just basically a teaser given to us by Airbnb. This is a tool that they tested out and experimented publicly to everyone, where basically what happens is, I'll just show you guys really quick. As you can see, they're scanning an image here and it's instantly getting converted into code in an actual website here. I think which is really cool, and see how advanced this is. All the components are, poorly drawn here, but very easily recognized by the actual software. See how quick that was. The last tool is actually called Uixored, and I've done an actual video. So if you want to see how to convert these screenshots, random screenshots instantly to these high fidelity designs, you can always check out that video of mine. I'll link it in the description, or maybe, just give it in the iCard on the top right of the screen. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then go ahead and quickly hit that thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. That really helps me grow, and also click that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. I'll see you guys every Monday and Thursday, same time. God bless.